Keep on watching this video if you want to know how to protect your YouTube channel and all your social media accounts. What's up everybody, today's video is about protecting your YouTube channel, your email and other social media accounts, because like these scammers right now, they are trying to hack everything, scamming in every way they can. So I'm here to tell you how you can protect all these things. So the first method they use is SIM swapping. So you know, this is the direct attack on two-factor authentication, because when you do two-factor authentication, they send a code to your SIM card. So if they steal your SIM and they are able to hack the account, that code is going to go to them. You get what I'm saying? But you have to protect your SIM. This one is just for you to be smart and not leave your phone lying around for them to steal your SIM. If they don't have access to your SIM, this SIM swapping can't work. If they don't have access to your phone, they will not be able to steal your SIM. So just protect your phone. Then the second one they do is email phishing. So like what they do is they basically come to you like your one account that you have actually worked with, like ordered something from, or you have done something. They come like that and they're like, okay, click this link in order to get so and so this, because we noticed some strange movement on your account. If you don't trust the link, don't click it, because immediately you click it, they are stealing your password, your credit card information, your whole account. Like they are just stealing everything, like your whole life. So first thing I said, they do SIM swapping. The second thing they do is email phishing. You get what I'm saying? 3 is never make your email public, like your primary email that you use for business, you use to make money and do other transactions, buy things and stuff like that. Like your primary email, never make it public. Always create a second email, like so that people can reach you. If you want to post your email on your Twitter or Instagram bio or anywhere, always put that secondary email there, because if they know your real email, they'll be able to hack you. Like, because okay, let me not say they'll be able to hack you, they'll be trying, because once you know the name of the email, you're like, okay, I want to get this account, and they start trying to hack you and hack you. So I want you to create a secondary email that you don't use like that, but it's still your email. Okay, tip number 4, and this tip is two-factor authentication. Like we've spoken about two-factor authentication, I showed you in that my Instagram video. Two-factor authentication is you basically securing your account twice, not only using your password but also using your SIM or another method, because it's not only your SIM you can use to do two-factor authentication. You can also use another method where the account, like the app, sends you different specific type of codes that are only for you to access your account. Then also download an authenticator app. Like I need you to download an authenticator app. Like there's Google Authentication. This app secures your account. It gives you codes that only you know for you to access your accounts. Download that one. Then I also want you to be updating your apps. Like don't complain about data or anything. Always make sure your apps are up to date, because when your apps are up to date, when they update apps, they also put in new security measures, like they'll update the security of the app. But if your app is outdated, they'll be able to hack it, like hack your account, because your security hasn't been updated. You get what I'm trying to say? Now I also want you to use VPN. Like I spoke about VPN in the Spotify video. If you also use a VPN, it will be very helpful, because VPN, virtual private network, like you can change your location to anywhere. So like now I'm here, you all know where I am, Nigeria. I can change my location to Mexico or something like that, so they don't actually know where I am. Use VPN, secure account. So let's do a roundup. The first thing I said is that they do SIM swapping, so always make sure you protect your SIM, because if they steal that SIM and that is the SIM that you have used to do two-factor authentication, that account is going to go. Then they also do email phishing. Make sure any email, like most of these scammers, like some of them don't go to school, like so they usually used to speak they don't used to speak good English. So if you notice that there's something fishy, like the English or the thing, because they'll actually disguise themselves as a legit company or something like that you have done something with, that you just need immediately you click that link, you are gone for, bro. So I want you to be wise, look at it well. When you notice bad English, when you notice, please watch out. Then 3, I said never make your account public. Number 3, I said never make your account public. Create a secondary email. Then number 4, two-factor authentication app, like download that. Like I say download, do your two-factor authentication. I need you to do that. Then download an authenticator app. It helps you a lot. Always update your apps. Whether I have data, buy. If you don't have data, buy. Update your apps. If not, your account will be lost. Don't say they hacked you. And VPN, VPN is very important. Before I go, if you notice that on Instagram, like some days, or if your account has been hacked, like you say, more than once, and you claim that you have done two-factor authentication, I just want to tell you that your account hasn't been hacked. Instagram simply deleted it, because this period Instagram is experiencing a lot of bots on Instagram. Like a lot of bots are creating accounts and things like that, so they are deleting any suspicious account. So if you are the kind of account that just follows people, then next day you unfollow, stop that. They'll delete your account, because that is suspicious attack. If you are using the same hashtags repeatedly, stop that. They will delete your account. So don't say they hacked you. If you have done two-factor authentication, they cannot hack you except you do what I just spoke about right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me what you want to know, and I'll answer you in the comment section. Bye guys.